This is blue rice, then it's made from this butterfly peel flour. It's blue flour. If you want to know how to do this, the blue rice, then check out my video. So we take this brown rice and I use this for measurement because I don't have anything for measurement. So usually we are, but you can use any rice. You just Daniel, he prefer brown rice. So right now I need to let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes because this is brown rice, but you can use the white rice or any rice, you know. I think white rice is, you will see the color is more nicer, but now I need to let it sit for 20 minutes. Take this one, so I will